Now, let's talk about why people might be cancelling their membership. It's inevitable that some members will leave, but understanding why they leave and how to address these issues is crucial for maintaining a healthy membership business. So we're going to explore 6 common reasons members leave and what you can do to prevent or minimize those cancellations. First off, members could be leaving because they've consumed all of your content. This is especially common if your membership offers a finite amount of content, so one signature course or a limited content library. When members feel like they've seen everything, they might decide there's no reason to stay. To address this, ensure your membership offers ongoing content by regularly introducing new materials such as monthly masterclasses, workshops, updating resources, or running live Q&A sessions. Create a roadmap or a learning path that guides members through your content in a structured way, helping them to discover material that they might have missed. Additionally, ensure that you focus on community engagement, where members can learn from each other or participate in live events and network and form the connections that will give them value that isn't connected to your content. Next, members might leave due to technical problems with your website. If your site is difficult to navigate, has slow loading times, or experiences frequent outages, members may become frustrated and decide it's just not worth the hassle. To combat this, prioritize developing a smooth user experience. Regularly test your website's functionality. Optimize it for speed. Ensure it's easy to use, and make sure you're investing in quality infrastructure like web hosting rather than going for the cheapest option. Have a clear support system in place so members can quickly report issues and get help. A responsive support team can make a big difference in retaining members who otherwise might leave due to technical frustrations. Another common reason could be members leaving because they're simply not using your membership. Life gets busy, and sometimes members don't make the time to engage with your content. If they're not using your membership, they're likely to cancel when they see that monthly charge come up. So to keep members engaged, send regular reminders and updates highlighting new content or resources. Use push notifications or in-app reminders to encourage logins and engagement. Create time-sensitive challenges or events that give members a reason to return regularly. Financial constraints also lead to cancellations. Members may love your membership but find that they can no longer afford the fees. To address this, consider offering flexible pricing options such as a lower cost tier with fewer features, allowing members to downgrade and stay at a reduced rate rather than having to cancel. You could also offer temporary discounts or the ability to pause a membership during times of financial hardship. By showing empathy and, most importantly, flexibility, you can retain members who might otherwise leave due to cost concerns. Often, financial restraints are temporary, so having this flexibility to give people a temporary reprieve rather than making it so their only option is to leave will serve you in the long run. Sometimes members will leave because of failed payments. This might happen due to an expired credit card, insufficient funds in their bank account, or a change in their payment information. Often members don't realize their payments failed until their access is revoked, leading to unnecessary cancellations. To prevent this, implement an automated system that alerts members when their payments failed and makes it easy for them to update their payment details. Send reminders before their payments due, particularly if their credit card is about to expire. The easier you make it for members to fix payment issues, the more likely you are to prevent them from leaving due to a simple oversight. And finally, members might leave because they've achieved their goals. While this is a positive reason for someone to leave, it still impacts your retention rate. When a member feels they've accomplished what they set out to do, they might decide they no longer need your membership. To address this, try creating advanced content or resources that cater to members who've achieved their initial goals. Introduce new challenges or areas of focus that encourage members to continue their journey with your membership. Another strategy is to highlight the benefits of staying in the membership as a way to continue growing or maintaining their progress. Remind members that there's always more to learn and new ways to benefit from staying connected with your community. To summarize, understanding why members leave is the first step in improving retention. Whether it's because they've consumed all of your content, whether they're facing technical issues, didn't get round to using the site, they can't afford the fees, they've experienced a failed payment, or they've achieved all their goals, there are proactive steps you can take to address each of these common cancellation reasons. By continuously adding value, addressing technical issues head on, keeping your members engaged, being flexible in your pricing and your management of payment issues, and providing ongoing challenges and thinking about what comes after members have achieved their initial goals, you can keep members satisfied and reduce your churn rate over time.